Just gonna give it a couple minutes, guys. Get this started. We have a lot to talk about today, so stay tuned. Start the stream up in about a minute or two. Just pulling it up on my phone. Randy Ripple, we do have some very good news. We're gonna get into that. Thank you for coming out to the stream, buddy. All right. Got about 6 people in here. Stream starting up. How's everyone doing today? It is the Naughty Investor. Hope everyone's doing well. We have a lot to talk about today in the crypto markets. There's been a ton of price action today. A lot of great things happening today in the market. So we're gonna get into that. We're going to talk about some XRP news. We're going to talk about the market news. We're going to talk about a little bit of the stock market compared to crypto. And we're also going to talk about any questions you guys have. If you guys have questions, ask them in the chat. If you do want to support the stream, I can't stress this enough. Super chats or donations via my XRP and Bitcoin wallet addresses in the description. Those are completely 100% appreciated because this is a one-man show and I don't have corporate sponsors to back me. This is 100% funded by you. I cannot do this without your support. So with that being said, yes, it is very good news for alts today. It's really good news for all the market today, man. There is no discrimination going on in today's market. Everything is basically up today. I was going to start the news off with this comparison between the stock market bubble and the Bitcoin bubble from, a year and a half ago. But instead, I think I'll start off with the prices today, which is completely. I was not expecting this much of a surge today. I was expecting a pump, but not this much. We broke the $200 billion market cap level and then some. Right, so I thought we were just going to skid by it a little bit. We're at $216 billion. I mean, look at this, guys. XRP's up 8.56%. Ethereum's up 14%. Bitcoin's up 12%. Most of your major coins are surging on the day. It is remarkable today, guys. I checked my my crypto app today when I woke up. I do that every day when I wake up. I check the crypto prices. It's just one of my morning routines. And it's like, all right, I'm in a pretty good mood now, right? It really can make your day a lot better. And just look at these prices. I'm not sure if any of you have checked the prices today, but everything is just going up and up and up and up and up. I feel like we're in a bull market again. I mean, that's the writing's on the wall. We are in a bull market again. That's what all of the evidence suggests, and we have to go with the evidence. Didn't mean to do that. All right, we're doing good when it comes to that. Yeah, we're at. Okay, I was just making sure the stream was looking good. So yeah, look at your major coins. Litecoin's even back up. Bitcoin Cash pumping a bit. Binance coin rebounds. Binance just had a hack. They just had a hack, but Binance coin is rebounding 10%. I mean, how bullish is this market? Because think about it. Think about it like this, guys. 8 months ago, 6 months ago, if Binance was hacked and we were still in the bear market, Binance coin would be down 20% right now. 20, 30% easy. But we're rebounding 10% today. That's how strong this market is, okay? So I think the bull market is even stronger than originally people thought. And I think a lot of people making those more conservative price predictions, I think they need to redo their predictions because the way things are looking right now, I mean, these prices will be back at their all-time highs within 6 months, if not less. I mean, it really is remarkable. Yeah, really great. Just take a drink real quick. I want to talk a little bit about the stock market because this was an article put out by Ryan Smith. It was on CCN, And what it does is it compares that the stock market is much more, it is slash was, well, I guess is much more of a bubble than what Bitcoin was before it crashed. So what the article is saying is, when you look at the bubbles, crypto's not the bubble, Bitcoin's not the bubble, XRP is not the bubble, it is the stock market, okay? So let's get into this article. Wall Street. Oh, sorry, my allergies today, guys. Really not great. Also, didn't help that I slept until really late today. I overslept. Yeah, but it's because I didn't sleep last night, and I got up, like, I didn't sleep until 5 a.m. and then fell asleep at 5 a.m. That's what happened. Wall Street loves to compare Bitcoin to tulip bulbs and beanie babies, but if the stock market isn't trapped in a devastating bubble, then nothing is. It's easy to trash crypto in the wake of the 2017 ICO frenzy. From peak to trough, Bitcoin lost around 85% of its value in 2018. And Bitcoin is generally regarded as the safe haven play in the digital currency landscape. Many small cap coins lost more than 95% of their value. Others went bust completely. That may, however, be a valuable lesson for anyone keeping a close eye on U.S. equities. Stocks are forming a parabolic curve, all too familiar with those who've been in the markets for more than just a few days. As are we in the midst of the next mania? It sure appears that way. History is replete with examples of economic bubbles, going all the way back to tulip mania in the 17th century Holland. So what tulip mania is, guys, I'm sure many of you have heard it. Basically, there was a bubble in the tulip market hundreds of years ago, right? And it caused the price of tulips to go up to like the price of like a house. And it was just a bubble, people bidding it up because they wanted the price to go up. Okay? A more relevant and recent example can be found in Amazon stock during the dot-com bubble. The classic bell curve in all its devastating glory. Amazon stock price took a 95% hit as the dust subsided in 2001. Where have we seen that kind of loss before? Oh yeah. Now, 10 years later after the financial crisis, Amazon stock looks once again uncomfortably parabolic. That is one scary looking chart, another bell curve in the making. A theoretical drop of 90%, a devastating bearish outcome. To be sure, would see the stock return to 2012 levels around $200 per share. Ouch. What, Randy Ripple asks, what do I think started this bull run? So I think this bull run is what started it is a couple different factors. It's not one sole factor. I think one is just timing, because we've been in a bear market so long. I think we hit a bottom, and when you hit a bottom, people are able to safely invest because they know the support level, right? If you know the support level of an asset and it's above that level, you could make more educated investments when investing into that. So I think that's a big part. Another thing that I think is big, so one thing is just, you know, the changing of the tides, right? A bearish market will eventually turn bullish, always. And that's one thing. Another thing I think is the institutional interest gathering around crypto right now. We have Fidelity. We have so much more custody coming in. We have more indexes coming in. We have NASDAQ coming in. I'm going to cover later in the stream. XRP Liquid Index is now on Google. All right, it's NASDAQ ready, but it's not hasn't been released yet. But we're preparing. It's beginning. It is beginning. Okay, so we have just the changing of the tides, more institutional interest, and I guess I would say as well as that, there's been a bit more. A little bit more clarity when it comes to regulations. We're not completely in the blue when it comes to regulations. I'm not saying that, but we're a little bit more, a little bit less ominous, if you will. That's the vibe I get. The risks just keep on coming. Up until May 8th, the S&P 500 had never had such a one-sided trading in all of recorded history. The S&P 500 maximum drawdown in 2019 of 2.48% is lower than any year in history. Hold your crypto horses. Market commentators will point to the sale of unregulated ICOs as a culprit for the downfall of 2018. The truth is that Bitcoin, and to a lesser extent altcoins, have endured several boom and bust cycles. This is what I mean when I'm talking about the changing tides. Booms and busts are natural occurrences to a degree. Now, it's true government can make it worse when you look at the Federal Reserve and things like that. We're not going to talk about monetary policy. at least not in this live stream. But yeah, these are natural occurrences. Markets will slow down and speed up. It's what happens, and it happened. And if you look at history, it's always happened with crypto, all the way back to Bitcoin's inception and many of the altcoins as well. The altcoins are a little bit less stable when it comes to boom bust, boom bust. It's a little bit more fluid, but all crypto was affected in the bear market, and all crypto will go up, or most crypto will go up in this bull market that we are currently entering. Okay. So yeah, this was an interesting article. I wanted to cover it because of the connection between the stock market and crypto. I thought it would be interesting to cover. We already went through the prices today. Give it a quick refresh for you guys. Yeah, pushing even higher. Crypto right now. I took 5 minutes just to read that story, and it's pushing even higher. What's the biggest gainer today? The biggest gainer today is Next, up 30%, and the biggest loser is True Chain, down 6.66%. I am not a superstitious person, but that's the number of the beast. Yeah. So yeah, so now we're gonna get into the XRP talk today, guys. Again, if you do want to support the stream, super chats, really appreciate it if you could. Or if you want to donate some XRP, my wallet address is in the description. Again, this is a one-man show, and they are 100% appreciated if you could. All right. So XRP Liquid Index on April 29th. On April 29th, announced the addition of Brave New Coin's XRP Liquid Index on the Nasdaq Global Index Data Services SM, that is GIDS. It also announced that the index would be live on May 1st. However, the index at press time wasn't accessible on both Brave New Coin and on Nasdaq. But an interesting revelation was the fact that the index did show up in a Google search. A Twitter user called Naturally Paid was the first to notice this and tweet it this weekend. So if you look up the XRP Liquid Index, you will get a Google basically search result showing you that index. So really cool there. Bank XRP and XRP enthusiasts suggested that since the index wasn't live on Nasdaq's site, Google might have been pulling it from Nasdaq's RSS feed. In addition, the Liquid Index was also accessible on TradingView, which TradingView is a popular trading software that I use from time to time, and I use on the stream here and now. At press time, Brave New Coin's website showed Bitcoin and Ethereum liquid indexes, but failed to show the XRP liquid index. The same was true with Nasdaq's official website as well. The price of XRP at the time of writing was about 30 cents with a market cap of $12 billion. The Bitcoin rally hasn't been kind to XRP, as the 24-hour change was only 1.6%. This article is a little bit dated, just by a couple hours. Other altcoins have surged by massive amounts due to Bitcoin's rally, and while this might not be good for the price, it's a good thing from the larger perspective. This suggests that XRP is not correlated to Bitcoin as other altcoins are. Okay, so the XRP Liquid Index is basically finished. Everything they need for it to be done is done, and that's because we could infer that because Google is gathering it from their RSS feed, from Nasdaq's RSS feed. And I think it's just a matter of time before it's actually out there for everyone to really have and see. So I thought it was good. I thought it was good that someone was doing their due diligence and found that on Google. Yeah, really awesome. Check the stream, make sure we're good. Yep, we're doing good. We're in the green still. Just making sure the stream output is good. I think I covered everything I wanted to cover. I'm just gonna give it a few minutes. If anyone has any questions, feel free to ask them. Again, if you want to ask a question via super chat, it will get priority and it's very appreciated, but you don't have to do super chats. It's just a deep appreciation for that. Fix my mic. But if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask them in the chat, and I'll probably give the stream a couple more minutes, and then after that I will, if we're not getting a ton of questions in chat, well, we will I'll end the stream if we yeah, just give it a few minutes. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. I love smoothies, man. Just amazing. Ethereum is about to crush 200 US dollars right now. Really, really nice. Bitcoin's almost, it just passed 7,200. Seems like just yesterday it hit 60 something. Remarkable. That's why I love crypto. It's so exciting. Cardano's up 22%. Monero's up 13.18. Dash is up. IOTA's up. Tezos is up. Neo's up. Ontology's up. Everything is in the green today by large margins. Just going to run a quick ad and then I will finish if anyone has any last questions. Randy Ripple says, thank you for your insight on XRP. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. You're very welcome. You are very welcome. I was really one of the first YouTube channels to cover XRP. A lot of people don't know that about me. I was one of the first YouTube channels to have a big XRP video that went basically viral. The video got 200,000 views. And that was 2 years ago now, about. So I've been talking about XRP a long time. I've been talking about cryptocurrency in general a long time. I know I don't have the biggest channel, but I do have one of the oldest. And I have a ton of content on here. And I've been talking about this stuff for a very long time because I believe in this stuff. And I'm invested in it myself, and I have a vested interest in knowing the information because I need to know it for myself anyway, so I might as well learn it and then share it, you know? But yeah, that's it for the stream. Thank you to everyone who came out to the stream. I will catch you guys in the next stream. I really do appreciate it for everyone who came out and joined. And thank you for the chats, guys. I really appreciate the talking and stuff and the interactions. But I'm gonna get going. Yeah, that's really it. Hope you all have a great day and keep on hodling, guys.